Bajram Bajric, Buyrum umoy kana sto pasto Bosanka. Danas ja nešu praviti nešto u kuhinju, ali ja hoću reći za bosanska riječ. So today I am not going to cook anything because it's a Bajram day. I am going to talk about the words that we use in Bosnian language. For example, first of all, let's start with Bajram Bajric as I said. Bajram Bajric is actually from Bajram Mubarak Olsun. For Muslim Bosnian, the Bajram is a traditional religion celebration after a period of Ramadan, and the Ramadan or Ramazan in Bosnian is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, and it lasts 1 month. So the day after the period of 1 month is Bajram Day. So what Muslim Bosnians do during Ramadan? Normally they eat only when there is no sunlight and no alcohol, of course. And what do we do for Bajram? For Bajram, it's an occasion for a gathering of the family, and we have a meal together. The food that we normally have is patgricha, soup, and dessert is the baklava. But this year, Micah Hanifa said we're gonna have lamb, maybe. And the next word is mashallah. Mashallah is an expression that in Arabic it literally means what God wills. So we can say that it means God bless. And it can also mean in general great and very good. So we express mashallah when the baby is born, when we heard a good news, or when somebody announced the special occasion, for example, marriage, something like that. Next word is ako bogda. Well, in English, we can say ako bogda for like hopefully, but in this case they engage Bog, B-O-G, which means God, to be a part of the word. It means if God will permit, will allow us. So it's the future that we hope it's gonna happen. Like for example, we express ako bogda. For example, we plan to do something this weekend. If the weather is good, we're gonna go to the park, we're gonna have a party, ako bogda, something like that, for example. Next, buyrum. Buyrum, I always say at the beginning of my video, because buyrum means welcome. In every household, when you go, you must say imali buyruma. It's like asking for permission. Is there any welcome in this place? And the person will say buyrum buyrum, welcome, come in, come in. So it's an expression when you go visit someone and the host will say buyrum. The next one, that one is really common. Priyatno. When you eat, when you're having a meal, you always say priyatno, like enjoy your meal, have fun. In English, we have an expression that enjoy your food, have a nice meal. So something like that. Or another case, you can say priyatno when you call someone and a person is saying that, I'm having fun with cooking, I'm watching television, I'm listening to radio. So in that case, you can say priyatno, like enjoy, have fun, something like that. All right, next one is sretno. So sretno is an expression to say when you are leaving the house or when you are going out for something. It literally means good luck. For example, when you want to go for a walk, your parents might say sretno, good luck. or you are going on the road, you are going to drive somewhere, you're going to travel, so the person stays home can say Sretno. Next one on my list is Potselami. Potselami. Potselami means say hello to or forward my regards to. So in that sense, it is used and expressed when you are talking to someone personally and that person wants you to say hello to another person or other people who are not in front of him. For example, when I call my fiance's father, he will say, Potselami to your mother, Potselami to your family in that case. Also, if you visit someone, when you leave the place, that person might say, Potselami your grandmother, Potselami your father, for example. And the last one on my list, but it's not least because I like this word the most. The words are medeni and medena. It's an expression for couples. So it means sweetheart, honey, or hubby. So it means the loved one. So medeni is for men, like for example, when I address my fiance, Medeni, can you take me to the mountain this weekend, please? On the other way around, he can address me, Medena, can you buy me some food, please? For example. And in a sense, these two words are originally from the word med. So med in Bosnian means honey. So it's very pretty that you have a reference as a honey. I want to say in conclusion that the more you learn the language, the more you understand the culture, and you can enjoy every part of this world, and it will encourage you to do more stuffs and activities, and you will have more knowledge about what's going on in this world. So I encourage you guys to learn language and culture, and you'll be another person, and you will be happy when traveling somewhere else, outside your countries. Thank you for watching today. Please leave your comments if you feel like I'm doing something wrong. So see you next time. Goodbye.